gracious other meteorologists have been filling in. So Matt as well as Margot.
Yeah.
So we're glad you're here super early with us.
I appreciate it. We're kind of all over the place, rolling with the punches,
Yeah.
but hoping Ken comes back soon.
Yeah.
That would be wonderful.
Come on, kids. Speed up that recovery. It's just a whole foot leg issue, but you know.
But meanwhile, you're busy, Matt, filling in this morning because there's a lot going on.
I feel like every time I'm here, there's always a lot to talk about. But this morning, there's some rain and very strong winds. So that's probably the main priority, the strong winds that are across the region. In parts of the Smokies, we've had winds gusting 80, 90 miles per hour. But the winds will start to settle down now that the rain's pushing into the region. So as you're getting out the door this morning, especially if you're, say, east of Knoxville, you haven't seen rain yet. But if you're west of Knoxville dealing with rain right now, I'd say grab the umbrella, but it's probably more important that you have the rain jacket because this is wind-driven rain. So if you do have an umbrella, 2 hands on it. So let me walk you through the radar right now. We're seeing some steady to moderate rainfall across the region, especially on the plateau for the last several hours through portions of Cumberland County, right on the Fentress-Morgan County line. Steady rain also stretching up into Kentucky. Rain continues to push eastward into Union and over towards Granger County eventually. Starting to see some showers showing up on radar here in Knoxville, so we'll likely be hearing the rain shortly. And some thunder has also been picked up on radar across the Southern Valley through portions of McMinn, but now moving into Monroe and over towards Blount County at this hour. Now this line of showers over the next hour is going to continue to push off to the east. So eventually moving through Harlan County from Lee County in Virginia, that stretches down towards Jefferson City and Dandridge and over towards Townsend at this hour. So expecting rain in those areas in at least like the next hour or so. I mentioned we've had strong winds, 93 miles per hour, Camp Creek, Cove Mountain, 85 miles per hour, Cades Cove, almost 70 miles per hour, and even at McGee-Tyson in Blount County, almost a 46 mile per hour gust. Very strong winds across the region. We're likely past the peak of the winds at this point. They're still strong, don't get me wrong. We're gusting to 50 in Crossville and Jamestown, 52 miles per hour in Madisonville, and at this hour, almost 60 miles per hour in Townsend. Now, the strongest winds have been in the Smokies, but now that the rain's moving in, winds will slowly but surely settle down. You can see that here at Mount LeConte. We're still strong through the morning, but into the afternoon, they do start to settle down, and that trend carries over into tonight as well. Temperatures right now getting you out the door at 61 in Knoxville, 63 in Gatlinburg. No rain, you're warm. Where you're seeing rain for at least the last hour to 2 hours, we're back down to 52 in Jamestown and Crossville. Highs today will warm up. Most of us are going to hold into the low 60s today. An overcast sky and having to deal with soggy conditions, especially during the first half of the day. Notice there is a lot more rain that we have to work with from Middle Tennessee, but notice this area of this moisture is moving off towards the north and east, so some more moisture is on the way. Our rain chance is very high through the morning, but then like the winds, it does start to settle down as we go in towards the afternoon. We won't lose out on rain as we head towards this evening. Tonight, a few lingering showers are possible. Tomorrow, though, does look much calmer. Tonight, temperatures will cool back down to the low 40s on the plateau, upper 40s to low 50s here in the valley. Should be a little bit more comfortable tonight and a bit more comfortable getting out the door tomorrow morning. But keep in mind, if we see enough breaks in the cloud cover tonight, some patchy fog could develop, so keep that in mind for your morning commute tomorrow. By the afternoon, warming up into the upper 60s for a lot of the region under a variably cloudy sky, and it starts day one of a calmer stretch of weather. By the time we get to Thursday, we'll keep a mixture of sun and clouds. It's a little bit cooler. Temperatures only reach the low 60s for highs. We're back up into the upper 60s by Friday with a lot of sunshine. Then as we head towards this weekend, it looks mild. Temperatures in the low 70s. For Easter Sunday, there's a slim chance of a shower, but most of the region should stay dry.
All right, thank you so much.